In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Delhivery, enabling a seamless and efficient order fulfillment process for your online store. This integration will streamline your shipping operations and provide a better experience for both you and your customers. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Shopify App Store. This is where you can find a variety of apps designed to enhance the functionality of your store. And today we're focusing on finding the Delhivery logistics platform app. Simply type Delhivery in the search bar, and you should see it pop up among the results. Click on the app to see more details, including user reviews and installation guidelines. Once you're ready, just hit the Add App button to begin the installation process. With the app installed, you'll move on to the setup phase, where you need to connect your delivery account with your Shopify store. If you don't have a delivery account yet, you'll need to set one up through their website before proceeding. This step is crucial since it allows your current and future orders to be processed through their logistics system. When you're ready to connect, simply follow the on-screen prompts, which usually involve logging into your delivery account and authorizing the connection. This step ensures that Shopify can securely send your order data to Delhivery for fulfillment. Once you've successfully connected your accounts, your Shopify orders can now be directly fulfilled through Delhivery. This integration automates much of the shipping process and provides you with a variety of shipping rates and service options to choose from, tailored to your needs and those of your customers. You might notice that you can now select the type of delivery service: standard, express, or even same day, depending on the product and destination. What's more, a great feature of this integration is that your orders are automatically marked as fulfilled in Shopify once they're processed by Delhivery. This isn't just a time saver. It reduces the risk of human error and keeps your store's database up to date with minimal effort. Along with the fulfillment status, tracking details are also automatically pushed back to your Shopify store. This means that both you and your customer can effortlessly track the status of the order without needing to manually input tracking numbers. Everything is neatly organized within your Shopify admin panel. And there you have it. By integrating Shopify with Delhivery, you've taken a significant step towards improving your order fulfillment process. Not only does this setup save you time and reduce errors, but it also enhances your customers' satisfaction by providing them with timely updates about their orders. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your e-commerce business.